Alright friends, in this session we will learn method overriding, which is so important topic. So what is method overriding? When both the parent and child classes have a method with the same name, the method in child class overrides the one in the parent. So Python will execute the child class version. So let's do it. For example, I have an eat function here, and I copied this and paste here. And inside the dog class, I can say golden eats golden retriever, golden eats calmly. So if I run it after creating an object, if I run it eat method, you see which one will execute. So let's try. I run it, you see golden eats calmly executed, because the method in the child class overrides the one in the parent. That's the logic. So even though dog inherits from animal, since dog has its own version of eat, that method is executed. The parent method is overridden. So if you still want to call the parent method, you can use super keyword. Let's do it. We can call parent method by using super keyword. And then after super, you see I can reach eat method. I say okay. So if I run it again, you see first animals eat, because this code executes. So I reach parents eat method, and then I print golden eats calmly here on my second line. So I hope you understand this logic. See you in the next lesson.